Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today, classic takeaway Turkish version-ish with my twist, doner kebab. Easy to make, guys. You can make this at home. Of course you can. That's a bit of a gimmick, obviously, but we're going to make the doner kebab in this can, in the oven, job done. Let's show you how to do it. Right, first job, guys. Okay, we've got 500 grams of minced lamb. Straightforward, bog standard minced lamb. Now, what we need to do, I'm using a chopper, and what we're going to do, we're going to chop some onion, fine chop some onion. Now, what we don't want to do, we actually don't want to use the onion bits, so we're going to fine chop it as fine as it'll go, and then we'll squash it through a sieve into there because we want to use the onion juice in our kebab mix. So let's give this a whiz up. So that is one medium onion in there, guys. Okay, so I've got a tea strainer type thing here, look, that we use out here, and all we're going to do is we're going to put our onion in there. Now you can use a cheesecloth if you have a cheesecloth, and then we're going to give it a wring out. Try and get as much juice out of it as we can. Right, what we're going to do, we're going to actually squeeze as much juice as we can out of this onion into our doner mix. Now that is as easy as that, guys. Look, I'm not even squeezing this, look. You can see how much juice is in this onion. Okay, that is all we need. We don't need all that onion. We're not going to put any chopped onion in there. Now this is a very, very quick, easy, simple recipe as always. Garlic powder, paprika, black pepper, salt, thyme, dried oregano. Now if you have fresh oregano, that's fine, but dried oregano, in it goes. Okay, so all we need to do is mix in. And as we're mixing this in, what's happening is we're going to actually squash the lamb together at the same time. You can mix with a spoon, or you get your hands in. Okay, that's our lamb mix. It's going slightly sticky. You can take it as far as you want. It's up to you. You can make it really sticky. Right, now optional ingredient, yogurt. I'm going to put about a tablespoon in. I don't think it needs any more. Now that's going to put moisture and everything all the way through our kebab mix while it cooks. Now this lamb mince actually is very fatty. So, you know, you don't really need the yogurt. The yogurt is optional. Okay, job done. And then what we do, we take our bean can, or in my case, this is a tomato can, and we pack our mix in there. Simple as that. In it goes. In it goes. Now squash it in. Watch your hands on the top of the tin, whatever you do. Okay, if you've got a little bit extra, they must have had just more than 500 grams in here. Now I'm not going to waste it. It's going to go on the top like that. I'm going to put tin foil over the top. Okay guys, my doner mix is about, I would say about 600 grams actually. But you know, 500 gram of mince, this is 600 gram. He's standing well proud of this tin. Now 500 grams is probably going to be just below the level of the tin. You put tin foil over, and as it cooks inside the tin, it will puff up, it will balloon up a little bit. Not to worry. So what we're going to do, we're going to get some tin foil and we're going to foil over the tin. Put our tin foil over our kebab. Squash it around your tin. Nice and easy. So let's get this in the oven. Straight in the oven, 160 degrees, until we get an internal temperature of 65 degrees. Okay guys, there's our doner in our tin. That's a bit warm. And what we need to do is have a look. So there you can go, there you can see in there, look guys, look, if I press our cooked doner meat down, you can see the amount of oil in there, you know, and that's kept it lubricant. It's going to be really moist, this lamb. So what you need to do is let this cool down, and then we need to take it out of the tin. There is our doner meat, perfectly cooked doner meat, moist. How? That's hot. Moist, tender, nice and juicy, cooked. So you could actually just take that out if you wanted and wrap it in tin foil, let it cool down. All there is to do now is to make up a white sauce and a red sauce to go inside our doner, and then we'll put our doner together with our homemade pita bread. Perfect. Make the perfect doner. So let's crack on. Now what we're going to do, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. In fact, we're going to add 3. And we're going to add 2 tablespoons of mayo. And then what we need to do is go in with our garlic. So get our garlic in there. Now you can put salt in here if you want, and you can even put in fine chopped cucumber if you want. So we're going to give this a mix up. Now, over the years guys, I found by making this sauce with yogurt and mayonnaise, with the garlic, you get a nice tart-ish sauce, creamy. The garlic is toned down, it's not too overpowering. Now, originally when I first started making kebabs, I used to put the garlic in the mayo and found it was too strong. This makes a fantastic white sauce for doners. Yogurt, mayo, garlic. You can add a pinch of salt if you want, anything, up to you. It doesn't need it. So that's our white sauce. And then what we need to do, we need to make a red sauce. Now it's virtually the same. A couple of splodges of mayo in there. We want about a tablespoon of hot sauce of your choice. Now I'm using sriracha, and this sriracha is quite warm. And for this we want a little pinch of black pepper. Because don't forget, this is our spicy red sauce. But by putting that mayo in there, we're going to get a creamy spicy red sauce. Now if you think you haven't got enough spice in, put more hot sauce in. So we have a white sauce, we have our pinky red sauce, and obviously if you wanted just a red sauce, you would just squirt in any of your sriracha or any hot sauce of your choice. So that's our 2 sauces made. What we're going to do now is put our doner kebab together. So all we're going to do is slice thinly some of our doner meat. Okay, are we ready for this? Now we need to slice it very, very thinly. So what we need to do is assemble our doner kebab. So 2 types of pita bread, one cooked in the oven, one cooked in the pan. All we need to do is open them up. So in with your knife. Just cut through nice and gently. Open it up so we've got a nice pocket. Same with the other one. Now guys, you can stuff the doner with anything you want, you know, from cabbages to lettuce, anything. It's entirely up to you, and it's entirely up to you what you want to do first. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open this up and I'm just going to put a little bit of meat in there, and then what we're going to do, we're going to just chuck in a little bit of salad. Get a bit of salad in there. Same on the other one. Little bit of salad in there with the meat. I've got some sliced cucumber. That's going in. Oh, come on. Little bit of onion. Oh, a little bit of onion this side. Maybe it's too much onion this side. A little bit of tomato. Get your tomato in there. Oh, just look at this. And then what we want to do, we want to go in there with our sauce. So get a bit of that red sauce in there. Oh, look at this. Same for the other one. Oh, wow. And then the all-important white sauce, our garlic sauce. Oh, man. Oh, yes, please. Oh, that is fantastic. That is really, really good. Guys, if you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe. Catch you in the next video.